If you're returning to my channel, welcome back, and if you're new, my name is Katrina and I do beauty videos, mostly hair, some makeup. I also do the occasional challenges with my family. I am going to be using this Conair Pro Yellow Brick blow dryer. I've actually had this blow dryer for almost 10 years. Like, this was in my beauty school kit. Like, no joke, and it has lasted me that long. I'm pretty sure when you buy this blow dryer new, it comes with the comb attachment and also with the regular nozzle. So I like to use this blow dryer like when my clients, or maybe they're just going to straighten their hair or curl their hair, I like to use this just to blow dry it really fast. Or I like to use it like in between colors, like sometimes, like maybe if I'm coloring the hair and then I have to kind of dry it and then put like another color after, I'll use this just because it's really quick. Always make sure to spray your heat protectant. As always, I'm using the Chi Iron Guard. Honestly, there's no like really technique or anything specific I can kind of tell you guys how to do it. It's really just brushing through with your hair. So I'm going to fast forward this video through and then I'll see you guys at the end. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I definitely can't just like do this to my hair and be done. Like, I would have to at least flat iron the roots. But it's just a quick way to kind of like dry your hair. Like, maybe if you just wash your hair and you don't want to go out with a wet head, this is a quick way to dry your hair. Now, if your hair is longer, it might be a little bit harder. I've never done my hair like this when it's long. I usually only do it when it's short because it's easier. This blow dryer is like really inexpensive. Like, it's super inexpensive, but it's great quality. Like, I'm telling you, I've had this blow dryer for 10 years. 10 years. I've never had any other blow dryer that has lasted this long. If you're looking for like a quick, easy way to dry your hair, definitely get this blow dryer. If you're going to use this, definitely be careful because it can burn your hand. I'm a hairstylist, so at this point, my hands are like immune. Like, I do so many blow drying and I get burned with the curling iron, and like, seriously, my hands at this point are just like, I don't feel anything. And depending on your hair texture, it doesn't straighten your hair 100%. Like, for my texture, if I started to sweat, like, my hair would poof up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and hit the notification button. I'll see you next time. Bye.